Mr. Alasdair, I have this, call it a lame excuse, a lame question, but you tell me Eritrea has huge mineral potential, but still investment is not going as it should. Why? What would the reasons be?
Well, it's a victim of the current global cycle, which is in downturn, and it's not just Eritrea that's suffering investment and development of projects. It's everywhere. Canada is a catastrophe right now for exploration, and there's quite a number of mineral projects that are on hold. Same with Australia. These are two of the most developed nations in terms of mining and exploration industry, and they're suffering worse than we are. So this is not an Eritrea-specific problem. This is a global sentiment towards mining that has turned negative. And it's a cyclical business. It will turn up again, and that's when people do very well, and others, of course, that collapse during the downturn of the cycle do very badly. So it's about survival at the moment for a lot of companies to just be able to get through this downturn, but it will turn up, and when it turns up, you'll get significant interest back in towards Eritrea like it's had in the good times in the past.
So at the moment there is literally little that Eritrea can do to get its mining industries jump-started?
In terms of jump-starting, it's already started. The mining industry here is actually being regulated very well, and it's a very positive environment for people, explorers and miners to come into. As long as they keep doing what they've done in the past, having good management of the mining code, encourage the mining sector with incentives and the exploration sector, then it's going to be just fine. So I actually think that Eritrea, in terms of the African context, is well ahead of most of the other countries. And so it just has to keep doing what it's been doing and it'll be fine. This downturn will swing back up again, and Eritrea is well poised to do well when that happens.
I'm told that Eritrea actually handles its mining income or the policy quite better than other African countries when we put in comparison. Is that your statement also?
Yes, I think what you're seeing at the moment is you've got one mine in production, Bisha, which is producing revenue for the government. What they're doing is they're reinvesting revenue back into the projects that are coming on stream by purchasing a significant stake in those projects. Now, they are paying market price for that. They're not just grabbing it or acquiring it. The government here is acting very ethically, and they get a valuation done, an independent valuation that both parties must be happy with. And then they've got an active policy of reinvesting revenue from their existing mine, Bisha, into the new ones that are coming on stream, because, again, as your previous guest alluded to, some of these other ones are bigger than Bisha, significantly bigger. And so for them to purchase 30% is going to cost them many hundreds of millions of dollars. And that's not just one. That's, the Sunridge property probably is going to require $500 million to build and develop. And if they want to purchase a 30% stake in that, it's going to be significant. And the Kaluli potash project down at the Donegal, you're probably talking in the order of $1 billion to develop that. These are round numbers, but it's that kind of order of magnitude we're talking about. So there's a policy here by the government to commit to the mining industry as something that's critical to their own economy, and I think they're going about it very well.